So next is, hello students, we will discuss Bryopsida, that is mosses. Bryopsida. So it includes Funaria and Sphagnum. So example are Funaria and Sphagnum. So how Funaria actually looks like, this I will show you. So it actually looks like this. Okay. So capsule, seta, this part, the sporophytic part you are able to see, it is after reproduction. Okay, the sporophytic part after reproduction, leaves, main axis and rhizoids. See, rhizoids, main axis, leaves. This is a gametophyte part, sporophyte part are food, seta and capsule. Okay. So let's start. So they are foliose bryophytes. Okay. Foliose bryophytes. They have radial symmetry. And the rhizoids in this case is multicellular. Okay, in Markangia Hepatocopsida we have discussed it was unicellular. Now it is multicellular rhizoids. Multicellular rhizoids, and it also has septa with oblique septa. And protonema stage. Protonema stage. What do you mean by protonema stage? Many times we have discussed this topic. Branch filamentous juvenile stage. Branch filamentous juvenile stage. Okay, it is known as protonema. Sex organs कहाँ पाए जाते हैं? In clusters, tips of branches. Branches के tips में पाए जाते हैं. ये यहाँ से important part है. Sex organs occur in cluster over tips of branches. I will explain with the help of diagram. And sporophytes has central columella. Acha, let's me explain. Size is around 1 to 3 centimeter Funaria का. Okay, 1 to 3 centimeter. हम लोग Funaria को लेके चलेंगे. Okay. So predominant stage is gametophyte. Funaria. Let's cut it. Predominant stage क्या है? Gametophyte. Gametophyte में क्या क्या पाए? What juvenile stage and mature one. Okay, juvenile stage develop from spore. Okay, protonema. Now look on the structure. So it is a stem like, which is known as colloid. Colloid, which is stem like, and it divide only once. Bracket में write down here, divide only once. Second is, here it will be leaves. Leaves like. Leaf like, known as phylloid. Colloid, phylloid, remember what this term. Okay, it is leaf-like structure known as and here rhizoids. And it is a gametophyte structure. यहाँ पे देख लो, ये पूरा फ्यूनेरिया से स्टार्ट हो गया. ये फ्यूनेरिया. ओके, and rhizoids, I have told it is a root like. Now I have told you oblique. तो देखेंगे इसको अगर हम लोग माइक्रोस्कोप से, तो it will be like oblique septa is there. ये दिख रहा है ना, ओब्लिक सेप्टा, ये रॉइजॉइड्स है. ओके, oblique septa, and it is transparent when young. Transparent when young. And when they are mature, they turn into red. So I have told you it divide only once. Now what happened when it will divide? Now it divide. Okay, so what it will form? So male branch and female branches are formed. It is male branch, female branch, and okay. So it is head. It is female head and it is male head. So female head, यहाँ पे लिख लो female head. The tip is known as female head, जहाँ पे archegonium is present, and it is male head. It is female head, it is male head. Male head में क्या पाया जाएगा? Antheridium bearing sperm. ओके, और यहीं से ही जो हमने बताया था सीटा और कैप्सूल, स्पोरोफिटिक स्ट्रक्चर विल कम फ्रॉम हेयर. इट इज अ कैप्सुलेटेड पार्ट. सो इट इज स्पोरोफाइट. द होल स्ट्रक्चर इज स्पोरोफाइट and it is visible only after reproduction. ये क्या है? स्पोरोफाइट है. and this is gametophyte. sporophyte. So let me draw in detail. So it is capsule and it is सीटा. कैप्सूल में ही स्पोर्स पाए जाते हैं और ये स्पोरोफाइट है. ओके, इट इज स्पोरोफाइट and it is diploid. And one more thing I forgot to tell you. That columella is also found. यहाँ पे स्पेस है. हाँ, there is one more structure. स्पोरोफाइट में central columna is also found. 6. In sporophyte, what is found? Columella. Sporophyte has central columella, okay, asymmetry tissues and peristome. So what is the function of this peristome? The function of peristome, that is protection from dead cells, and columella act as conducting tissue. Columella conducting tissue. It act as conducting tissue. And peristome for protection, and it is formed from dead cells. So this is all about the Bryopsida, Funaria and Sphagnum example. Foliosebryophyte having radial symmetry, multicellular rhizome with oblique septa, protonema state. Sex organs बता दिया. Predominant states gametophyte and colloid, stem-like, leaf-like, phylloid. Okay, and is divide only once, male branch and female branch. Fertilization कहाँ होगा? आर्किगोनियम में होगा. Okay, and from आर्किगोनियम that sporophyte is form. ये स्पोरोफाइट है, ठीक है, विच इज़ नोन एज कैप्सूल, एंड इट इज़ सीटा. स्पोरोफाइट विच इज़ 2N, एंड स्पोरोफाइट में कॉलमेला होता है, कंडक्टिंग टिश्यू, एंड देयर इज ऑल्सो सिमेट्रिक टिश्यू एंड पेरिस्टोम फॉर प्रोटेक्शन. ओके.